MLajan, the new way to pay. Let's talk about sending money to non-members. Open your MLajan app and tap the send icon. Ensure that you are on the non-member tab. Enter the telephone number of the intended recipient, not forgetting to enter your area code. Enter their full name and the amount you wish to send. Then click send. You will be asked to enter your 4-digit PIN and confirm. The transaction details will appear one last time so that you can reconfirm. Once you've done so, a notification will be sent to the recipient via SMS and you will receive a digital receipt from your successful transaction. At the same time, you will receive a one-time password via SMS to provide your recipient. They will then take this information to the nearest agent so that they can receive the cash. It's that simple. MLajan, one app, many conveniences.